Holy crap!
In Alabama.
Tornado watch.
Blunt, Chilton, Coosa, Jefferson, Shelby, St. Clair, Tuscaloosa, and Walker.
Wasn't expecting that.
Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 11 has been
Number
issued
11.
until 4 a.m. Central Standard Time Wednesday for the following counties in Alabama: Bibb, Blunt, Chilton, Coosa, Jefferson, Shelby, St. Clair, Tuscaloosa, and Walker.
Oh my god.
Now the commission planning the work session on Thursday to meet.
Now here is
Oh my
the
God.
latest weather outlook for the county.
I was done cooking popcorn until I heard this. Holy cow.
Air monitors in all of their school campuses.
Wow.